Okay, so you guys just watched me do a sunset inspired bloom pseudo swipe spin with a black topper. So now I'm going to do it on an 8x10. That was on a trivet 6x6. This one's going to be an 8x10, and I'm going to do it with the white topper but the same other colors. So same random, laying it down. Gonna just drizzling it on. Because I want to see how it looks with the white topper. So these are the primary elements, the bloom set, the bright bloom set. So I am using 6 of the bloom colors, and I will have those listed in the description box below. So I just got these this week, and I'm so excited to play with them. And I actually remembered to actually put a dot on the top so that I could tell exactly what color it looks like. So just FYI, it's a good thing to do if you can remember to do it. And I did it to all of them all at once. So I mixed them all up at once and did it, and because I always forget. I know to do that, but I forget. All right, so we need to add some pink to our sunset. It's always nice when you get a little bit of that pink color throughout your sunset, isn't it? The sky has been so pretty lately with the full moon and eclipse and lunar eclipse and double rainbows and all kinds of sunsets. All right, so I like to put my cell activator on a tile, and I just keep reusing this. I've used this for the black topper twice to swipe it clean, and then now I have the white topper on here. So let's just dip it in there and swipe it. Kind of going from the middle down. Didn't really plan it that way, but it's how it's happening. Maybe I could switch it up. Yeah, let's switch it up. Let's no rules. All right, I like it like this. I think I am done. All right, so I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes to develop, and then we will spin. Be right back. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna look anything like a sunset, but it doesn't matter. It's still bright, pretty colors. So let's just spin it out. go the other direction. All right, so I need to know, have you guys gotten any new art supplies lately? There is nothing like getting new art supplies to really renew your energy to create. So if you can afford it in these crazy times, like if there's one thing that you've been really, really wanting, I've been watching these for these bright blooms, I don't know, for a couple months, thinking about it, and finally I just did it. Get all excited. So if there's a paint you want, or type of canvas you wanted to try, or a type of medium you wanted to try, if you can swing it, it will really renew your creative juices. I think it really gets it flowing. Wow, this is fun. Still need to stretch it off more, but wow, looking good. All right, we just have this one corner we need to, well, in that spot right there. So let's keep going. Probably need to turn around and spin the other direction now. All right, I am actually going to tilt it a little bit to get it off of this side and this side. So let's see. All right, so I'm looking at all the sides. These two sides look really good. They're covered, fully covered. But this side and this side still need help. So let's just tilt it off that way a little bit. And for that mark, I think I'm gonna put some paint on it. It's kind of bizarre. A little blue. Maybe that'll drag it off of there. All right, this side is good now. Now I'm just getting a little bit more on this side. Then we are done. Trying to drop it. Been really clumsy lately. Don't know what that's about. All right, I think I am done with this. Let me bring him in for some close-ups before I drop it. Be right back. Okay, let's go in for some close-ups. I'm loving the colors on this. They're not as vibrant as with the black, but I think it's nice how the colors meld together. So much lacing. So many rainbow cells. All right, guys, I hope that y'all are trying this or thinking about trying it. It is so much fun. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.